Starting around 25 November 2023, Axie vastness truly is exchanging at $6.38 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.12% in most recent 60 minutes, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie sort of has an essentially all-out market cap of $841,901,576 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $82,177,141, or so they really thought. This generally makes Axie limitlessness, Axie, truly positioning at 61 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie limitlessness generally be somewhat worth in 2023, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is Axie limitlessness in every practical sense, wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought? Will Axie's cost generally outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a significant manner? These truly are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in a huge manner. Axie boundlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023, as per the Axie vastness gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost for the most part is supposed to in a real sense cross in every way that really matters, normal value level of $6.62. The normal by and large least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to explicitly be $6.32 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Axie can in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $6.80, showing that starting around 25 November 2023 Axie vastness certainly is exchanging at $6.38 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.12% in very most recent 60 minutes, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness cost expectation November 2023, Axie boundlessness cost fundamentally is supposed to for the most part reach between $5.82 to $6.55 in November 2023, while the in every practical sense, normal cost of Axie for the November explicitly remains around $6.37 Axie limitlessness cost forecast December 2023. Axie vastness cost explicitly is supposed to basically reach between $6.32 to $6.80 in December 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Axie for the December fundamentally remains around $6.62 Axie boundlessness past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Axie infinity's cost all things considered has shown in every way that really matters. Great increment of 7.4% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, showing how besides Axie can basically arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $6.80, exhibiting that starting around 25 November 2023, Axie vastness truly is exchanging at $6.38 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.12% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. From most recent 7 days the Axie truly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.07%, showing how besides Axie can by and large arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme value level of $6.80. Exhibiting that starting around 25 November 2023 Axie endlessness by and large is exchanging at $6.38 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.12% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Axie endlessness has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute, or so they basically thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie really diminished by 32.155%. Dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of $3.02 from its in every practical sense current worth, which by and large is genuinely huge. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin essentially is in plunge of the present time, implying that it can especially be a fundamentally really great generally purchase a potential open door for genuinely fast venture, exhibiting that Axie especially has a truly complete market cap of $841,901,576, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $82,177,141. Exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change especially is near 45.64%, And the cost in every practical sense flowed from a very least especially normal cost of $10.80 to especially greatest truly normal cost of $12.31 in the all things considered recent days, or so they certainly thought. Axie vastness basically is somewhere near 4.10%, with the sort of most extreme genuinely normal cost of the coin sort of was around $6.96, and the genuinely least truly normal cost of sort of was around $6.76 in genuinely beyond 4 months, which certainly shows that this especially makes Axie boundlessness, Axie's by and large positioning at 61 in the digital money market. Which certainly is very critical. Axie boundlessness value gauge 2023 facts. What will explicitly be Axie limitlessness essentially worth in 2023, which really is genuinely huge. The Axie's cost in every practical sense is determined to generally arrive at an all things considered most extreme degree of $6.80, with sort of least cost of $6.32 toward the finish of 2023. Which fundamentally shows that Axie certainly has an especially all-out market cap of $841,901,576, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $82,177,141 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Axie limitlessness by and large have a future, which especially is very huge? As far as value, Axie boundlessness truly has a remarkable genuinely potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels. Pretty further appearance how Axie vastness all things considered is somewhere near 4.10%, with the extremely greatest all things considered normal cost of the coin sort of was around $6.96, and the essentially least exceptionally normal cost of especially was around $6.76 in every way that really matters, recent months, which truly shows that this certainly makes Axie limitlessness, Axie, especially positioning at 61 in the digital currency market, which especially is genuinely critical. It truly is conjecture that Axie will increment in esteem, kind of additional appearance, how assuming you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie vastness really be genuinely worth in 2023, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking? As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Axie boundlessness can especially stir things up around town, of the greatest cost of $202.83 till 2030. Further appearance how as far as value, Axie vastness truly has an exceptional especially potential to essentially arrive at new levels. By and large further appearance how Axie endlessness sort of is somewhere near 4.10%. With the truly most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin, especially was around $6.96, and the exceptionally least lovely typical cost of really was around $6.76 in fundamentally beyond 4 months. Which truly shows that this in a real sense makes Axie limitlessness, Axie, extremely positioning at 61 in the digital currency market, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Axie vastness truly worth purchasing in 2020?